Hey, Victoria Pinder, eXp Realty. I'm so excited that my husband and I get to show you this house today. 1931 LT Hardy, a Lieutenant Hardy is what I usually say. This home is for sale for $175,000. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. You know, they say these old homes with the brick are strong, and that's one of those things that I really like. If you're looking for a family place or whatever you want to do, to imagine $175,000 is very doable, and you get to kind of create your own world. This has almost a half an acre of land, so you will have a huge backyard. Let's go to the backyard before we go into the house, because that's gorgeous. So if we just go back here, you can see all this side, double gate. We'll talk about that door in a minute, but this double gate will bring you to a fenced-in backyard to where you could be sitting here having a barbecue. You could be sitting here in your backyard doing whatever it is that you want to do. Also, you will notice that this is on a propane tank. So you will have a propane tank until you convert anything over if you want to, but this is a beautiful brick home, and you have a big backyard, and that is something you will not get. The roof is new, 2020, and the windows are brand new 2023. So you already have a lot of solid bones on this home. And this beautiful backyard, trees, fenced in. You can do a lot. If you're looking for a barbecue, this is a gorgeous place to have family over and have a barbecue, or just to have people outside in your neighborhood. It's gorgeous. Now let's go on inside this home. You can see they did take care of it, and this was a family home. It was not a rental. This was a family-owned home. So that is, just so you know. They do try. Solid brick. You could have rocking chair porch. Across the street where I'm looking at new construction where they paid $300,000 or more, so I can wave to the neighbors who paid a lot more. And it's kind of one of those lovely things to where you are getting a real bargain. And there's a lot of sweat equity in this home. You could make it even worth more by just doing some of the work yourself. It is mostly rug. It is baseboard heat, new windows with screens. This would be the front room. Of course, there's a wall here and popcorn ceiling and rug throughout the house mostly. In the kitchen area, it is open concept. You have your dining table over here. Everything is over here as well. So it's a hood, a refrigerator, but you do have at least a nice little base. Out here, this is what we're calling the two-season room. It is a converted garage. You could, if you added heat, make it into a man cave, whatever it is you want. It's a really nice big room. And over here is a laundry room. So this is where the washer, dryer, it's huge, come on in. Washer, dryer, electrical, water heater, all in the back porch here. And you can just see it's a nice big area in the converted garage. And what's nice is back here, you could do so many things. It's a two-season room right now, but you could make it whatever you want to make it. Like I said, we have to be creative when we're thinking, but this is a place to where you can truly show how you make a home. Over here you have where you put the refrigerator, kitchen, dining room table, and then we're moving on. You have 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. So the first of the bedrooms over here, you do have new windows with new screens, so that's lovely. Definitely could be a great room for an office or a kid. You do have a closet, of course, as well. Again, carpet and thing throughout, but you can see this is an open canvas for you to just create whatever it is you're looking to create. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, the main bathroom, you have, nice flooring, a nice open concept as well, and a window so you can let the light in, and you can see that this is a good tub in good working order. It's cleaned. Next up, you have your linen closet. Completely good. Next one, you have the second of the bedrooms, not where the other bathroom is. This is it's a very big room, big closet. I think this is actually bigger, to be entirely honest. And they did try to keep these things updated, so with your special touch, you will make everything modern and gorgeous. Next one, let's go to the primary. This is where, if you wanted your ensuite, this is a smaller room, but you do have the ensuite. Closet over here, and don't forget, back in the day, they had smaller closets because we were expected to wear our clothes every week. Pedestal sink and bathroom, so you do have that ensuite, new floors, and everything is looking like it's basically ready to go for you. So I'm so excited to show you this home. Please don't forget to call us at 252-327-3357.